So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Finally, the heaviest swag drop of the year. Yes, you heard it right. Heaviest swag drop of the year is right now. The Google Cloud Ping badges and the arcade sticker sheet. Yes, you may be disappointed or you may be happy. Do comment down your feedback. Now the first thing is that they have introduced two badges in the arcade novice and trooper milestone and one sticker sheet in the trooper milestone. So let me tell you what are the features of this. So basically a badge, it's like a just like a simple badge which you place on your t-shirt. Like if you were a college or school student, you must have received multiple badges like prefect or head boy head girl like this. But here the main thing is that it is circular in shape, and this is just like you can use for remembering how much effort you have put in this arcade program to earn these many points. Now second one is cool sticker sheet. You can see they have this time they have customized the sheet. Earlier we used to get the Google simple sheet, but this time they have changed the design and logo. So this is pretty cool, but do you really think it should be placed in the trooper tire? At least for novice tire we can consider, but do you really think that it should be placed in the trooper tire? Do comment down below. Now here more prizes will be revealed soon. As you can see, we are in the arcade homepage. Let me show you. Apart from this, let me open my channel too. So it's opening. Let me open it. So let's discuss meanwhile this. So you must have seen the swag drop. I have posted it earlier only. Yes, you can see here I have posted and most of you have reacted also on it. Now a lot of you guys want to participate in the arcade facilitator program. That will be starting on 4th of August. But some of you want to participate as a participant or as a facilitator. So for that I have created a video yesterday. You can see what are the benefits as a facilitator and as a participant, and the swags which you will be getting as a facilitator. Here is the swags. You can see gimbal, power bank, white hoodie, limited hoodie. No one gets this kind of hoodie, so make sure to take part as a facilitator. If you face any issue, I will be there to guide you. No need to worry about it. Now the main thing is that I want to clear for the facilitator program that the facilitator program participant will get only bonus point, but facilitators will get the swag. Not, and if you participate as both like participant and facilitator, then you will get both the goodies. This was the most asked question in that video. So these are the swags. You can see most of them are good. So what you like, which tire you are targeting, and which swags you like the most, you comment down below also. So this was about the swag drop of the arcade novice tire and the trooper tire. So I hope you are happy. If you are happy or not, you can comment down that also, and also shares what kind of swags you can expect for the next cohort, so that we can pass this feedback to the community and they may consider. Because a lot of you guys were asking for hoodie. Now we have confirmed that the hoodie will be definitely present in the next cohort, but not this white hoodie, because this is only for facilitators. So if you want to become a facilitator, you should watch this video, and one more video how to fill the form. You can watch this video and completely fill the form step by step. Apart from these, you can want to see what are the swags we are getting. You can watch this video. I'll share complete videos in the description. Thank you guys. Have a great day ahead.